Hello everyone, this is Drew with Drew Drives. Today I've got my hands on the 2025 Acura MDX base model. And I'm a little shocked right now because up until this moment, I didn't even know the base model still existed. So I was pretty shocked when I saw it. I don't know why, I just assumed, I don't know why I thought that, but I was just so shocked that the base model still exists for the 2025 because I just didn't know about it. But here we are. The interior looks pretty much the same, you know, from the pre-facelift, except with the touchscreen. Like, if you notice in like the new tech package and all the other trims about that, you can notice some visible changes. But in here, other than the touchscreen, it's basically identical. You still have the leatherette seats. You have your wireless charging tray down here. Yeah, you have built-in Google Maps, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity. Digital gauge cluster right there. Still only heated seats. Here's your middle row right there. I think the MSRP on this one is roughly $53,000. No parking sensors on the base. As I said, it's basically the same thing. No power folding mirrors on this one either. And then the tech package and above has Bang & Olufsen. This one just has the Acura Premium 9-speaker sound system as before. You have your blind spot alert over there. Here's your backup camera. But yeah, as I said, it's the same. There's nothing different other than the screen. And you don't have remote start either. On the tech now you get remote start. This one is just the same old key fob. Yeah, for some reason, I don't know why, I thought that since there's the A-Spec Advance, they removed the base model to keep the same number of trims. But now the trim levels are base, tech, A-Spec, A-Spec Advance, Advance, and Type S Advance. Oh wait, they have these little speakers over there, so that's different. On the A-pillars, I don't remember there being speakers there before. Maybe it does have more than 9 speakers, I'll have to check. Obviously the drive and everything's pretty much the same. As I noted in my other videos, the driving videos of the 2025, the transmission is shifts a bit smoother than it did before, so they did improve that. You'll find what I've noticed so far is the A-Spec looks the same inside other than the screen, but I did find notable differences in the advanced package type A-Spec Advance, because they got the seats from the Type S Advance from the previous facelift, pre-facelift. But yeah, I mean, I am a little bit surprised at the parking. There are no parking sensors. I did think there would be that, but yeah, it is the base model, so it makes sense. If you want all that stuff, you can get a tech. And as always, the base model is probably going to be the most aggressive lease, which is advertised. And this has everything you basically need. I think that built-in Google Maps is a big deal. I really wish more automakers would start putting built-in Google Maps, because Google Maps is awesome. I love Google Maps. I use it for everything. And it's very easy to use. So yeah. sounds really good as always. Yeah, nothing really much else to cover other than what I've covered in my previous videos. If you've seen those, it's basically the same car other than the screen and then those two speakers. I don't see any other differences, visible differences in the interior. Exterior looks pretty much the same. The wheels are the same. This is the only one without new wheels. The tech package and all the trims above that all have new wheel designs. This one is the same old wheel design. Some ZDXs over there. Let's go for a quick walk around on this 2025 MDX base model. Majestic black pearl. Front wheel drive. Here's your rear cargo mat, which you can purchase as an accessory if you want that in your trunk. Got plastic speaker grills back here. You can adjust your AC settings over here. Got power outlets, you have USB-C, and no sunshades in the base model. You only get that on the tech package and above. I really like those sunshades. So yeah, MSRP is $52,850. 22 mpg combined with combined driving. You have 3 memory seat settings on the driver's seat as before, none on the passenger side. But yeah, that is about it. Thank you for watching another video of Droop Drives. I'll be getting out as much content as I can on the 2025 MDXs. And I'll catch you on the next one. Please consider subscribing if you like this video. Bye.